Are you tired of opening your iPhone and getting hit with pop-ups, banner ads and random game ads every few seconds? What if I told you that you can block almost all ads on your iPhone completely free? No jailbreak, no risky apps, just smart setting that actually work. Hello everyone, welcome back to GetAssist. Today I'll show you 3 powerful methods to clean up your iPhone and make it feel premium again. So let's get started. Method 1. Hide ads instantly in Safari. First open Safari. Now go to any website where you can normally see some ads. Now tap the little rectangle you can see here. Now you will see the option tap hide distracting items. Now you can see the option select. So select any ad, then tap hide just like that and it disappears. When you refresh the page, Safari often remembers what you removed. But here's the catch. This works per website, so you would have to repeat it on other sites. Good for quick cleanup, but not a full solution. Now let's move to something stronger. Method 2. Block pop-up ads completely. Now let's stop those annoying redirect pop-ups. Go to settings, then go to apps, then go to Safari. Inside Safari settings, turn on block pop-ups, then fraudulent website warning. Now whenever a website tries to open a pop-up ad or scam page, your iPhone blocks it automatically. This protects you from fake virus alerts, scam redirects, auto-opening ad tabs. But now I'll show you the most powerful method. Method 3. Block ads across apps, games and browsers. This method works across most apps and websites. We are going to use AdGuard DNS. This blocks ads at the DNS level. It means ads never even load on your device. Step 1. Download the profile. Open Safari, search for AdGuard DNS. Tap connect to public AdGuard DNS. Choose iOS, select default server. Tap download configuration profile. Then tap allow. Now you will see a message saying profile downloaded. Here comes step 2, activation. Go to settings, then profile downloaded, then tap install, enter your passcode, then tap install again. And that is it. No app required, no background running. What happens now when you browse news website, blogs, Reddit or many free apps? You will notice no banner ads, fewer in-app ads, no pop-ups, faster loading pages because the ads are blocked before they even reach your phone. Some apps like YouTube may still show ads inside the official app since those are served differently. But for general browsing and most apps, this method significantly reduces ads. And that is it. If this video helped you, make sure to follow GetAssist for more smart iPhone tips and tech solution. Till then, bye-bye. I'll meet you in the next one.